Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Well, today we will building the stop car section, and we will also be building this favorite section. As you can see, we are using the same component. It will be a reusable component. So if you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe and let's start coding. Okay, this is where we left in the last video. So we will go to explore view and we will start with a VStack. We will give it a text of top cars, and now we will please click on CMD, control and space in the same time, so you get access to the emoji. You can just write fire in your search and you will find this nice emoji. Okay, we will give it a font of dot headline and a font weight of semi-bold. Okay, we will place it inside an A stack and we will give it a spacer. There are other ways to do it, but this way I prefer it. Of course, there are different other ways to implement it this way. Okay, we will give a padding to the VStack. Okay, pretty nice. Okay, now we will be implementing this view, and because we need the same view here for favorite also, so we will implement a reusable view. So let's go to our component file. If you didn't create a view group, please implement a view group. Just write this way, new group. Okay, and in our views folder, create new file, SwiftUI view, and call it custom car, for example, custom car view, for example. Okay, in our custom car view we will have first add state object, private var view model of type explore view model. We will also need private var index, that is an integer, so we can, when we get the view model, we get the cars from the view model. I need the index to know the specific car we are filtering or working with. Okay, and then as state private var is favorite of type boolean, and for is favorite we will need it, so here to know, for example, if it is is favorite is false, you see the heart is not filled. If it is true is favorite, it's filled. We will work with it anyway. Okay, we will start with an A stack, or I'm sorry, let me look at it. Okay, no, we won't need an A stack. We will create a rounded rectangle with a corner radius of 10. Okay, he wants, we need to initialize them. Okay, is favorite, just don't pass his favorite. Okay, self.view model state object property value view model, and for is favorite we will get view model dot cars, the specific car with index, we can get it, and now we will pass with is favorite. Okay, and for our preview, let's give it explore view model, and index, let's give it 0. Okay, for round rectangle now we will give it, or we will fill it with dot white, and we will give it a frame and height of 120. And as you can see, we cannot see our rounded rectangle because the view is white, and the round rectangle is filled with white, so we cannot see it. To solve this problem, I will make it inside a VStack, and I will give our VStack a background with color of red. Okay, and inside it I will add a spacer. Hopefully now we can see our rounded rectangle. Of course, the background color red and this VStack won't stay, and this spacer, we will get rid of them when we finish implementing this view. Another thing is, like you remember, let me show you. Inside our Explore view, we got a padding, so we don't really need here a padding. But for visual purposes, so we see how it will look inside our view, we will give it now padding, and then when we are done, we will just remove it. Okay, pretty nice. Okay, we will give it now an overlay. I hate it when it happens this way. Okay, this one is better. Okay, I will give it an image. We will call view model dot cars with index, and here we will call main image name, I believe. Okay, we will make it resizable, and we will give it a frame of with width and height of 80 to 50. Okay, and we will make it inside an A stack. Because we will be implementing these also, so we will have then a V stack. I will give it a spacing of 12, and I will give our A stack, to be honest, a spacing of 10, I believe. It will look nice. Okay, inside our V stack, okay, we will need first a text with view model dot cars index and dot car name. Okay, we'll give it a font of dot headline and font weight of semi-bold. Okay, then we will have an A stack. Inside our A stack we will have an image with a system name of star.fill. Okay, and if you are asking yourself where we got the star.fill, like I explained it in the previous video, it's from SF symbol. Okay, then foreground style, and let's give it dot orange. Okay, and we will give it now the text. View model dot cars and index and dot I think rating. Okay, and as you see, the way we got 4.900 and so many zero, we don't want it to be that way, so we will solve this problem this way. We will use string with a format. Yes, this one. We will give it first the view model dot cars, and here we will write percentage percentage point one f, I believe. Now if I write the string inside my text, okay, something is wrong, apologize. Okay, so that's nice. I was wrong halfway. I wrote percent. As you can see, we got it was very nice. Okay, I believe I will add also alignment of dot leading inside our vista. Okay, alignment before spacing. Okay, nice. Our complete act. And then we got white automotive, so we will have a text with by, believe, and here we will call view model dot cars index, and we will call host, I think, host name, yes. Okay, very nice. And just for our text here, we need first to give it a font of subheadline. Okay, and the font weight of dot semi-bold, I believe. Okay, and for by Dwight automotive, I will give it okay. I will start with a foreground style of dot gray. Okay, nice. And font, I believe, I'm not sure, maybe headline. I don't think it's headline or subheadline. Yes, subheadline looks nice. Okay, now we will have that button, this button. So inside our A stack, we will add a button. This one action and label, and for action will be an image, the label, I'm sorry, will be an image with system name of, and it will be hard.fill, and I will add first a spacer, I think. Okay, I made a mistake writing it. Okay, and to our A stack, I'm going to give it a padding dot horizontal. Okay, for our hard to fill, I will give it a foreground style of dot red. And another thing I need to take into consideration here is the is favorite. So I will give it if is favorite is true, I can write it this way, it will be hard.fill. If not, it will be hard. Okay, and in our button, in our action, I will make is favorite dot tagger. Okay, now if I click on it, it should become true, so it's fill. If I click on it again, it should be false, so it's just hard, not hard to fill. Okay, I think it's okay for now. Okay, we should be now able to work with it. So here inside our vstack, let's add, or before adding it, I think we don't need this vstack anymore, just delete it. We don't need also this background, spacer and padding. Just this. Okay, now if we go there and we call custom, before calling it we will make for each view model dot cars, and we will have car in. We will now call custom car view with a view model that will be a view model, and for the index we will go do it this way. Let index equal view model dot cars dot first indexed, where our car is equal to this car, where 0 equal car, and now we can give it the index. Of course, and in case we don't find an index, let's give it 0, but we will always give get an index. Okay, really nice. And as you can see, it's now this one is favorite, this one is not, because when we created not in the car, in our explore view model, we gave it this one false, the other one true, so we got one false and the other one true. Let's go to our main tab bar view now to see our final product, and as you can see, it's really nice app. You can click favorite, I can click not favorite. Another thing we can add also to our not to our custom car, but here inside our explore view we can give it dot padding, I think dot bottom. Really nice, I think very nice now. Okay, to be honest, as much as I love the final result, I don't like the fact that I have this code inside my body here in explore view, so I will create a new class. I will call it top car view. Okay, and I will get this vstack with the padding and everything, and I will paste it here. Okay, of course they will ask me for a view model, so I will give it add state object private var view model type explore view model, and then for the init always state object of with wrapped value of view model. We will give it here, let's give it explore view model with a preview. Okay, now just all we need is here to call top car view and give it a view model. Hopefully everything will be working fine. Okay, waiting for the preview. Okay, really nice, everything is nice the way I want it. Okay, perfect, I think. Okay, now the next step will be to implement the favorite, and now our next step will be to implement the favorite, so it will be a very easy task. Okay, we will go to favorite, we'll create a new group, call it views, and here I will create a new file I will call it favorite view. Okay, we are waiting for it. Okay, very nice. Inside here we will have a navigation stack, and first let's give it a add state object private var view model, type explore view model, and let's make our initialization of view model like always. State object, the value of view model. Okay, nice. Okay, if I go to the complete app, okay, we got a vstack. Let's give it a vstack. In our vstack, I will give it a background of like always gray 6, custom gray 6. Okay, favorite view, I will give it a explore view model. Okay, sorry, it's color, and inside the color we will give it dot system gray 6. Okay, and we will give it a navigation title of I believe it's favorite, and dot display mode, it will be dot inline. Okay, and here we will call our, or first we will, oh no, I will add the first, you know what, var favorite cars, an array of car, and my array will make self dot favorite cars equal view model dot cars, and here I will filter so I get one where only the ones where $0 is favorite equals true. And you know, when I write $0 dot is favorite, it means equal true. If I write, for example, this one this way, it means it's false. But anyway, it's basic programming. Okay, and here we will need, of course, because if I go now for each favorite cars, I get the car. Okay, and in my car I will need sorry, okay, I need to pass a custom car view. I got the view model, but I need also the index, so let index equal view model dot cars view model dot cars dot first indexed where car equal, or where $0 equal car. Yes, I think this is the one. The reason behind that, because we are outside our custom car view, we are, and if not, let's give it a 0. Okay, nice. And as you can see, it gets us the right result. And the reason why I'm doing it this way is because if we go to our custom car view, we are already working with view model.cars. That's why I need to give it the right index. That's why I get the table or the array of the one who has its favorite equal true, and then to work with our reusable component we will use the real index in our view model.cars. Okay, okay, something is not right, I believe. Okay, view model. Just let me look at it inside main tab bar view. My favorite view, and I will give it a view model. Go now. Okay, I know why. Okay, first I need to give it a spacer, and we need to give it a padding. And the padding, I believe, should be to this one, not to the v stack. Okay, really nice. Okay, let me see it inside our main tab bar view. Okay. Okay. Okay, I think very nice. The app is starting to look a little bit similar. I think it's favorites, not favorite. Okay, just the name I will give it this one missing. But okay, I think the app is starting to look really nice. I think we are making great progress. In the next video, hopefully, we will start to work on the detail. When I talk about the detail, I'm talking about this one. Hopefully, we will start to work on the detail screen. So I hope you enjoyed the video. As always, stay healthy and see you in the next video. Bye bye.